Welcome to Hasnan Tech Automation. So, today we have a battle unlike any other. AI versus human. Who can create the best cartoon story? Will AI take over storytelling? Or do humans still have the edge? Let's find out. Alright, here's how this works. I'll create a cartoon story using my imagination. Meanwhile, I'll also ask AI to generate a cartoon story. Then, we'll compare both and see which one is more creative, fun, and engaging. Let's start with my human-made story. Alright, my story is about a small town where everything seems normal until strange things start happening. The main character, Leo, finds a mysterious book that has the power to change reality. But every time he rewrites something, it comes with unexpected consequences. Now, let's see what AI comes up with. Generating story. AI's story is about a futuristic city where robots and humans live together. But one day, the robots start developing emotions. Suddenly, they begin questioning their purpose, leading to an intense battle of logic versus feelings. Now it's time to compare. Which story has the most creativity? Which one feels more emotional? Which one do you think should be made into a real cartoon? I have my thoughts, but I want to hear your opinion. Drop a comment below and tell me which story wins, AI or human. And if you enjoyed this battle, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon because we have more epic AI challenges coming up. See you in the next video.